Hey, this is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks, and I've got a really important tip for any advanced elements kayak owners where your kayak has this red funny looking valve thing. This is a pressure release valve, so it's designed to let off excess pressure, which can happen sometimes in the inflation process, maybe if your gauge is broken, but also in heat and extreme heat. It can let that excess pressure protect your kayak. However, it only works if it's not blocked. So what you need to do when you've finished paddling at the end of the day, you take it off, you just unscrew the top, all the air is going to come out. There it goes. And you give it a rinse in fresh water and let it dry out. This is particularly important if you're often in salt water, because the salt buildup will mean that the air won't come through. If you do this every time and then you just pop it back on before you inflate next time, you will be good to go. If you have any questions about how the pressure release valve works, please get in touch. This is Emily at Inflatable Kayaks.